Hi, this is artist Joseph Lorusso. Many of you may know of me and my work for its emotional ability and convincing way that I can tell a story. In my over 30 years as a fine artist and instructor, I've learned quite a few things about the most effective way that I can construct a painting, as well as so much more about the business of art. To that end, I'm really excited about my new course in painting that we call Mastering Your Artist's Voice. In this course, you'll get over 40 hours of content, everything from idea generation to how I prepare my supports, to color mixing, and to the business of art, and so much more. So get in early and join our early access pre-launch, and you can get all this at an early enrollment price. All pre-launch members will also receive a personal critique of their work by me. In my many years as a successful artist, I've had so many students ask me for such a course, an inside look at how I approach the world of art. And that's why I'm so excited to offer this special opportunity. Click the button below, and I'll see you soon.